Okay, hey Megs. Okay, now I'm sorry this is going to be really boring because it's not really a tutorial, it's just watching me work so that you can understand the workflow. I'll try and press on pause when I see that I'm hesitating too long or whatever, but it's going to take a while. So here I've made a template for the buttons on the HUD to make it simple to use, so we can always use this same one. And so I've done 2 sets, and I'm going to start on the 3rd set, which is going to be gold and silver. So let me show you. See, I already created the gold ones with the template, and earlier I created the silver ones too. So that's giving us a base to work with. So I'm going to import those ones into a pile. Scripts. Import into a pile. I'm going to get them. Oops. Oh, sorry, phone. Okay, I paused for phone. Okay, so I'm selecting the 4 layers. Okay. Just piling them up there for me. Look. There we go. Super fast on this computer. Not so fast on my old computer. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use these buttons to kind of work out my colour scheme. So the way it works is I put each button in a folder. You can see. So I'm in the right order for you. There we go. So it goes from first line, 1, 2, 3, 4 on first line, and 1, 2, 3, 4 on second line. Kind of simple. So we're going to make this side the main colour, like outside, inside, outside, inside. So the first one I know I'm going to do is gold. I'll find something that looks kind of goldish. Maybe give it a hand here. Not easy to get a nice gold colour. Green, isn't it? Sorry, gold is a really hard colour to work with. Okay, let's just go with that. So we've got gold and pink. I'm on the first button of the lower line here. And I'm going to put the silver. Kind of looks greyish, but silver and pink. And then I want to do like all gold, so we're going to go gold and gold. And underneath I'm going to put silver and silver on the inside and on the outside, that is. Have to make the textures afterwards. So we've got gold and gold, silver and silver, and then theoretically I should mix them, but I'm not really sure that's going to look good. Let's try putting the colours next to each other, see what they look like. Should do like gold on the outside, silver on the inside. on the outside. Well, I'll just do it because I can't bother to think of another colour scheme. And then the other one, it's gold on the inside, silver on the outside. And on the last ones, yeah, on the other three I kind of added an extra colour. So I think I'm just going to play with it for a little while, just a sec, to see if I can find a third colour. Maybe like maybe some brown metal or something. Yeah, let me think. Oh, I know, we'll just go with the black on the inside. That's like the neutral thing to do and always looks good with every colour. So keep the black there, like so gold and black on the inside, and on the last button silver and black. There we go. So that's my colour scheme. Now I just have to make sure that I have all the textures. It's a little bit easier for me because on my second screen I've got the folder with the textures in it. So I can see that for the top I already have the first two. So what I want to be making is gold and gold. Gold and gold. I think for that I'm going to have to open the creation folder to play with. Okay, it's a real mess right now because I've been making lots of colours, so it's not going to help you. But I mean, when it's your own mess, you kind of work your way through it a little bit easier, as you know. So I've got an all gold layer here, and I think I'll take that away and this way. There we go. It's looking pretty. The inside's looking a bit bright. Use this one instead. Okay, I have a bright inside, doesn't really matter. Or maybe we can dim it down a bit. What I do when I want to select a part, plain blaze, see if it does anything nice. No. As I go to the island map and I click on the part that I'm interested in, I have to fix this island map. Actually, I already fixed it on the other one. Because it's not selecting these little parts here. I'm just connecting them on the island map. Okay, I'm sorry if this is super complicated because I know I'm using like shortcut buttons and everything, but just ask me if you want to know how to do something that I'm doing. Oh, hang on, no, if I remove the shine there, that's gold inside looks better. So I'm just going to duplicate it so I keep the variation. And I'm going to delete the part that I don't want. There we go. Looks kind of nice, doesn't it? Could do with being a little bit more yellow though. Take that again. And here. Changing the opacity. Adds a little bit of yellow in the variation. This overlaid, so see, is that better? Yeah, so it kind of blends in a bit better with the colour above. Okay. So I'm saving that one. In the silver and gold. And when it's the top one, I'm just calling it like the colour, and when it's the bottom one, I'm calling it soul plus colour. So that's the top, I'm just going to call it gold. There we go. And then I need the all silver one, so I'm going to hide everything that's gold. It's dark, isn't it? That's grey. There we go, that's the silver one. And the swirls, and the different colour swirls too. Looks nice. But this is the one I want. There we go. This one wasn't named properly there. Because they were from the original one. So gold on the outside, pink on the inside. Yes, pink is the second. Okay. And the one I'm saving is just silver. Okay, so I'm gonna close the pile that I made earlier because I want one with more stuff in it. And I'm going to hang on, I'm trying to run the screen so you can understand what I'm doing. So the thing is, see, we have a black soul here that we're going to be using. So as I already made the black soul, I'm going to go and take it from the other file. There it is, look. And just copy it. You need to press Control and it copies it. And that will help me do my composing. There we go. Okay, just make my pile again. Scripts, pile, get, select all. Okay, okay. There we go. So what this is going to allow me to do, oh yeah, and I have to bring in the, I'm just going to copy it from the base one. Let's see, this is the island map. My pile is called No Name 2. So I'm going to duplicate the layer, put it in No Name 2. Okay. And it's here, which is going to help me set up. So pink and gold and gold and gold. Now I want